Today we're unboxing and taking a first look at the Zebronics Zeb-Sound Feast 400 portable Bluetooth speaker, a powerful 60-watt boombox that promises deep bass, RGB lighting, and great portability. Let's get started. Step 1. Box Overview. Here's the retail box. It's nicely designed with bold Zebronics branding and highlights of key features like a 60-watt output, IPX5 water resistance, RGB light, Type-C charging, built-in FM radio, and voice assistant support. Step 2. Unboxing the speaker. Let's open the box and see what's inside. We get the main unit, the Zebronics Zeb-Sound Feast 400 speaker, nicely wrapped and protected. Along with it, there's a USB Type-C charging cable, an AUX cable, Step 3. First impressions. The speaker feels premium right out of the box. It's built with a stylish fabric finish and a sturdy handle for easy carrying. It weighs around 2.4 kilograms and looks like a compact yet powerful boombox. We have all the ports, the USB-C for charging, the AUX-in, and a USB-A port. All the controls are on the top. We have the power button, volume up, volume down, a play/pause button that also handles calls, and a dedicated button to toggle those RGB lights on and off. There's also a M button for mode switching between Bluetooth AUX. Let's fire it up. Power on sound. And look at those lights. The RGB LEDs are vibrant and dynamic. They really add a fun party vibe. That wraps up the unboxing of a Zebronics Zeb-Sound Feast 400 portable speaker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tech unboxings and reviews. Thanks for watching.
Bluetooth mode, FM mode.
Internet customer care center. Get ready. 22 carat tall mango.
It's hot.